Friends, welcome to my video. Kindly click on the CC button for subtitles. In the hyper-connected world of the 21st century, the inner sanctuary of peace and self-awareness has become more relevant than ever. Meditation serves as a bridge to these tranquil realms, fostering spiritual growth and awakening in even the most inexperienced beginners. For those just embarking on this journey, meditation can seem like a complex and overwhelming practice. However, it can be simplified into manageable steps for ease of understanding and execution. Understanding meditation. Meditation is a mindfulness practice dating back thousands of years. It involves focusing the mind and calming the body to cultivate a deep state of relaxation, allowing for inner exploration and fostering a sense of spiritual connectivity. Contrary to common misperceptions, it isn't about becoming a different person, getting into a mysterious state, or even emptying the mind. Rather, it's about training yourself to be more aware and present in the moment, enabling a clearer understanding of your mental and emotional patterns. Why meditation for spiritual awakening? A spiritual awakening is a process where a person discovers their true nature, beyond the physical and mental self. This often leads to a feeling of unity with the universe and a deeper understanding of life's interconnectedness. Through consistent practice, meditation enables us to unravel the profound depths of our own consciousness, leading to such awakening. It brings a heightened state of awareness, inner peace, and an evolved perspective towards life and existence. Starting with basics, mindfulness meditation as a beginner. Mindfulness meditation is a suitable starting point. This practice focuses on the present moment, acknowledging and accepting it without judgment. It's about learning to engage with your immediate surroundings and internal experiences like thoughts and emotions without getting swept away by them. Start by finding a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, paying attention to the sensation of the breath entering and leaving your body. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to your breath. Begin with 5 minutes daily, gradually extending the duration over time. Leveraging guided meditation. As a newcomer to meditation, you may find it challenging to focus or know what you're supposed to do. In such cases, guided meditations can be invaluable. These are typically audio recordings or apps with step-by-step instructions, guiding you through the process and often incorporating calming music or nature sounds. These guided practices can range from stress release exercises to spiritual meditations for self-awareness and inner peace. Embracing loving kindness meditation. Loving kindness, or metta meditation, is another effective practice for beginners. It aims to cultivate an attitude of love and kindness towards everything, including one's enemies and sources of stress. It generally involves mentally sending goodwill, kindness, and warmth towards others by silently repeating a series of mantras. Consistency is key. Like any other skill, meditation requires consistency and practice. Make it a part of your daily routine, even if it's just a few minutes. Remember that the quality of your focus is more important than the quantity of your practice. It's better to meditate for 5 mindful minutes each day than to aim for a longer, distracted session. Embarking on a path of meditation for spiritual awakening is like embarking on a voyage into the unknown, a journey of self-discovery and realization. It requires patience, practice, and most importantly, an open mind. As you progress on this journey, you'll experience a shift in your perspective, find tranquility amidst chaos, and uncover a profound sense of connection with the universe. Remember, the path of spiritual awakening through meditation is not a destination, but an ongoing journey. Take your time, be patient with yourself, and cherish every step you take towards self-awareness and inner peace. Integrating meditation into daily life. While formal meditation sessions are essential, try to carry the mindful awareness you cultivate during these sessions into your everyday activities. Mindfulness isn't just for your meditation cushion, it's for washing dishes, walking in the park, or savoring a meal. Be present in each moment, whether you're simply breathing or engaged in conversation. Explore various techniques as you grow more comfortable with your practice. Explore different meditation techniques. Techniques such as visualization, mantra meditation, or moving meditations like Tai Chi or yoga can provide varied experiences and benefits. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. What matters most is finding a technique that resonates with you and supports your journey toward spiritual awakening. Join a community. Joining a meditation or spiritual community can be beneficial for beginners. These communities provide support, a sense of belonging, and valuable insights from more experienced practitioners. They also offer a structured environment for practice, which can be particularly helpful in maintaining consistency. Nourishing the spirit. While meditation is a powerful tool for spiritual awakening, complement it with other practices that nourish the spirit. Reading spiritual texts, spending time in nature, practicing gratitude, or engaging in creative activities can all contribute to your overall spiritual growth. In summary, meditation is a beautiful journey of self-discovery, leading to a deeper understanding of oneself and the universe. It's not a path free of challenges, but the rewards, a profound sense of peace, improved mental clarity, and a deep-seated connection to the essence of life, are worth every effort. As a beginner, maintain a spirit of curiosity and gentleness with yourself as you learn and grow. Trust in the process, for the beauty of meditation lies not just in the destination, but in the journey itself. Be patient, keep exploring, and allow your spiritual awakening to unfold naturally. Remember, every step taken with awareness is a step towards the awakening you seek. Welcome to the path of meditation. Your journey to self-discovery and spiritual awakening has just begun.